In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data by the last n days in Power BI using a calculated column. First, you'll need to have Power BI open and ready to go. Once you have it open, the initial step involves uploading your data file into the program. To do this, you'll want to click on the Get Data button, typically found on the main home toolbar. This will bring up a drop-down menu with several file source options. Select the one that corresponds with the file you're using for your analysis. For this tutorial, I have a sample table that details total sales data. What I'm going to show you is a nifty way to filter this data to reflect only the sales from the last 30 days, which is tremendously useful for gaining insights into recent performance trends without the interference of older data. Let's dive right in. Look over to the left side of your screen and locate the icons representing different views within Power BI. You're going to want to select the Table View icon. It's the one typically represented by a small grid icon. This view allows us to delve deeper into the data structure itself, which is essential for the task at hand. Once you're in the table view, the next step is about creating a new calculated column. Head over to the Column Tools tab that appears when you are within a table. You'll see the option to create a new column. Go ahead and click that. Doing so will allow us to input the necessary DAX formula to filter the data accordingly. Now, here's where you write your formula. You want to set up a condition where, if the order date falls within the last 30 days relative to your latest order date, the formula should return a 1, and if not, return a 0. For clarity, this means your order date should be greater than or equal to the latest order date minus 30 days, and less than or equal to the latest order date itself. I'll display the full formula on screen so you can easily copy and modify it as needed for your setup. After implementing your formula, head back to the Report view. This is where you start visualizing data and applying filters. Open the Filters pane, typically found on the right side of your screen, and proceed to drag your new calculated column to the Data Field area in the Filters pane. Here, you will choose the filter type. Select Basic Filtering from the options provided. By selecting the value 1 in this filter, your report will now display sales confined to the last 30 days. If, at any point, you wish to view the overall sales data unaffected by this filter, simply unselect it. And there you have it. This is how you can effectively filter data by the last n days in Power BI using a calculated column. It's a straightforward yet powerful technique that can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities.